Good morning. Hope you are doing well. First, let me introduce myself for those who are new for the school. My name is Wissam Dakash, the curriculum designer for ZERO1, the ICT and Robotics Curriculum from K till 12. The new ZERO1 curriculum will be integrated for the first year. That's why it is a must for you to explore the content of the table of content in order to understand how you are going to explore this curriculum and develop this curriculum with your students. So first, since we have experience for 23 years in the field of integration, ICT, and robotics, we are confident that our curriculum will help you develop STEAM skills in your school, and then explore coding, robotics, microcontrollers, 3D design, and other skills related to this subject. Of course, our curriculum will be aligned with the STEAM curriculum, as I said before, and with the Vision 2030 of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Sustainable Development Goals related to the United Nations in order to create awareness for students regarding major issues and problems that are around us. Our solution is not delivering just a simple textbook. Our solution covers a textbook that you have for students, a digital platform that covers all the topics you need, from the flipbook to lesson plan, answer key, software, extra resources. And this platform is accessible for students and for teachers. There is a quiz generator module that you can use to practice some skills with the students and to measure the performance of your students after each lesson or at the end of the chapter. A free STEAM lab where you will have items for robots, microcontrollers, microbit, Arduino, Kitronic, depends from the level that you are working. Training like we are doing now, support 24/7. You can connect directly with me through my email or my WhatsApp number in order to ask the question you want. Teacher certification where you can ask for certifications at different levels for different skills. We can help you to develop skills in competitions for national and international competitions. We have a clear strategy for that. And of course, if you wish to animate an in-school science technology or days or science fair, we are ready to do that. I will jump directly to the curriculum, to the scope and sequence, and explore grade by grade quickly the table of content for each grade to show you that even if there is integration for new subjects like robotics, microcontrollers in the curriculum, it will be smooth, and it will not be at the beginning of the year to explore all those at the same time. So don't worry for that. We will continue our training online, and in the near future, when I will be visiting the country, we will conduct an on-site training manipulating all the hardware that you are exploring or expecting to receive. So for KG, you will have like 6 chapters: discovering my computer, cartoon drawing, using the keyboard, drawing with paint, coding with algorithm, and coding with Scratch Junior. You notice that starting from KG, students will start exploring those skills that we are aiming to develop in the near future, which are algorithm coding and creativity for STEAM projects. So the first chapter that you are going to explore will be a classic chapter, a well-known chapter, not even difficult at all. And when you will be exploring the flipbook on the digital platform, you will see that really it's self-guided, and I advise you really to explore the teacher guide, the lesson plan, since it's really a must and it will help you a lot. In grade 1, also, we have a chapter for introduction to computers, drawing with paint, cartoon drawing, coding with algorithm, and coding with Scratch Junior. And of course, later on, you can explore extra resources for this grade. In grade 2, you have the computer components as chapter 1, cartoon drawing, coding with algorithm, coding with Scratch Junior, robotics with MBOT 2. In grade 2, we'll start teaching students robotics. And for that, it will be a dedicated session to explore and understand very well this need. In grade 3, we will start the year with coding with Scratch Junior, cartoon drawing, learn about my computer, robotics with MBOT 2, microbit, word processing, and extra resources. Also here, you will see that the first chapter is coding with Scratch Junior. I'll be handling today another session for Scratch Junior, how to handle, how to manipulate it in order to make it easy for you as task to explore with your students. In grade 4, coding with Scratch, cartoon drawing, make code for microbit, PowerPoint, robotics for MBOT 2, and drawing 3D object with Tinkercad. So here, things are more serious. You will be exploring, in addition to chapter 1, Scratch 3.0, you will be starting the make code for the microbit, the microcontroller, and then later on you will move to the MBOT 2 robotics level 3 and Tinkercad for 3D drawing. So you will see that your students will start developing all those kits that are in need for those skills. In grade 5, you'll see that we will start our year with the microbit as make code. It's a really simple interface in order to start using the microbit. Scratch 3.0, cartoon drawing, Microsoft Excel, robotics, MBOT 2, drawing 3D, and extra resources for algorithm and data science. So till now, you can see that you can start in a safe way your academic year. There is no struggling issues at the beginning of this year. Today, I'll be hosting another tutorials to go through the microbit, to go through the make code robotics in order to start exploring this. So whenever I'll be visiting your school, you will have this previous knowledge of what we call general overview for the robot. Then in grade 6, you can see that it's the microbit. We start with the make code, Excel, cartoon drawing, robotics, MBOT 2, Scratch 3.0. Of course, it's an advanced level, and Tinkercad for 3D printer. In grade 7, we move to another scale of skills where we will explore small basic, Photoshop, building web pages with HTML, robotics with MBOT 2, Python, and Tinkercad for Arduino. And of course, on the digital platform, we'll be hosting another 4 chapters to explore more and more those skills. In grade 8, we'll be starting the year with HTML, MBOT 2, robotics, chapter 2, small basic, Photoshop, Arduino, Python, and of course, another 3 digital resources. Grade 9, will be hosted today on the digital platform, at least the first chapter. In grade 10, we'll start the year with coding with Python, Photoshop, Microsoft Excel, database, and at the end of the year, you'll be exploring the hardware Arduino to build STEAM project related to IoT. In grade 11, it's an advanced skills in Arduino, Python, Microsoft Access, and PHP, MySQL, and Python. Here in grade 11, if you don't have enough experience in Arduino, I can advise you to start with Python in order to explore a little bit more, to give time for the Arduino. And in grade 12, you will explore chapter 1 Python, website PHP, website database management with MySQL, controlling the world with Arduino, and SketchUp for architectural designs. So I try to give you in this section a brief for the table of content to make you confident and relax regarding the skills that you will be exploring. Of course, the teacher guide explain in a clear way all the steps and all the explanation that you are going to explore. In the next video, I'll be showing you the content of the teacher guide or lesson plan, in order also to make a short introduction. Then I'll come back with what we call the hardware that you will be using.